Internal combustion engine. The combustion of fuel occurs inside a combustion chamber. Example, spark ignition engine, compression ignition engine. External combustion engine. The combustion process occurs externally. Example, steam engine.
Internal combustion engine, spark ignition engine, well known as gasoline or petrol engines. Second, use petrol as fuel. Next, mixture of air and fuel ignite by spark. Compression ignition engine, commonly known as diesel engines, use diesel as fuel. And rise in temperature and pressure during compression stroke is sufficient to cause spontaneous ignition of the fuel injected to the combustion chamber.
Type of engine. Reciprocating engines. Uses one or more reciprocating pistons to convert the energy produced by the combustion process to rotate motion. Example, 4-stroke engines. 2-stroke engines. Rotary engines. Rotary combustion engine that uses an eccentric rotary design to convert pressure into rotating motion. Example, Wankel engine. There are two types of spark ignition engines, 4-stroke engines and 2-stroke engines.
Intake stroke. The piston going downward from top dead center to bottom dead center. The intake valve open. Fuel and air mixture get in combustion chamber. Compression stroke. Intake valve closed. The piston move from BDC to TDC. The air-fuel mixture get compressed. Power stroke. Both valves are closed. Spark plug ignites the air-fuel mixture. Explosion occurs. The explosion causes the piston to move from TDC to BDC. Exhaust stroke. Exhaust valve is open to cause the gas to go out. The piston moves from BDC to TDC.
The piston moves from BDC to TDC to do the intake and compression of air-fuel mixture at one time. When the piston moves from TDC to BDC, the exhaust and intake valve will be open together.
Consists of two rotators which has three different stroke chamber. Rotor is placed inside an epitrochoid housing. Produce 3 times power compared to reciprocating engine. Intake. Fuel draws in as rotor moves past the intake port due to volume of chamber expanding. When the peak of the rotor passes the intake port, the chamber is sealed off and the compression begins.
Compression. Rotor continues its motion around the housing. Volume of the chamber gets smaller and the air-fuel mixture gets compressed.
Combustion. Spark plug ignite the air-fuel mixture. Pressure quickly builds, forcing the rotor to move. The pressure of combustion forces the rotor to move in the direction that makes the chamber grow in volume toward the exhaust port.
Exhaust. The high-pressure gas are free to flow as soon as the rotor reaches the exhaust port. Lastly, the rotor will move back to intake port to repeat the cycle. Can burn diesel, gasoline or gas fuel. Used in airplanes, helicopters and electric generation system. Has compressors and turbines connected by the same shaft. Large volume of air is sucked through the compressor blades and into the combustion chamber when compressors are rotating.
Operation. Fuel spray inside the combustion chamber and mix with compressed air. High pressure air will strike on turbine blades as it flows through the turbine blades. When heated gases left turbine blades, it will go to the back of generator to execute excess heat. Heated gases will be dissipated through the exhaust.